Okay guys, so here we are. This is where Stovetopyumyum creates magic. I have my machine, my heat press right here, my art, which is created full color of plastisol, which is a screen print on a film. And I'm going to go ahead and go grab a shirt so you can check this out. Hey guys, I'm here. Here are the t-shirts. Keep in mind these are next level t-shirts with my tag that I created on my hat press, and they are also seamed on the sides. Very good quality t-shirts, pre-washed, very good fabric. So now guys, come over with me and let me show you how I run one of these prints on this beautiful shirt. Sure that I center my shirt, then I roll my heat press over, and I'm going to heat it up for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 3 quick seconds. We want to heat the fabric. Now I'm going to grab my art film, which, like I said, this is plastisol. I have a special screen printer that makes this for Stovetopyumyum. Make sure I center that properly, which that looks very good right there. Just want to show you guys how I do this. Hang on a second. I always want to make sure. I have to make sure it's correct. So that looks perfect. Then I'm going to go ahead and lay a special piece of paper over that. And the reason for doing that is it helps take all the static away from the actual fabric. So I'm going to drop it down, and automatically my machine, as you can see, will hit it for 19 seconds. Once this is done, I'm going to take it out of the machine, let it cool, and I'm going to show you guys. So give me 1 second. When it starts beeping, we're going to lift it and take it off, and I'm going to show you. All right. Put that there. Okay, so we're going to move our sheet out of the way. We're going to carefully take our garment off of the machine. Whoops. Got that little static, that little cushion there, which I've made black shirts, so nothing to panic about. It just gets that way because when you use dark color shirts, that's how it goes. So now I'm going to let this cool off, guys. I'm going to show you closely. I'm going to let it cool off. Okay, guys, so I'm letting my shirt cool off. When it feels cold to the touch, then I can remove the film. Okay, guys, so now it's cold to the touch. I'm going to grab my corner and remove the film. Voila, there we go. Clean film, beautiful shirt. Check that out. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do another one for you guys. I'm going to show you. This is the sand color t-shirt. They're all next level. And we're going to go ahead, and first thing we are going to do is we need to go ahead and heat the shirt up for 3 seconds. Okay, so we get it's nice and soft and hot and ready to iron on. So I'm going to go ahead and center this. This is a very beautiful color, by the way. I'm going to center this. I'm going to drop it down with the sheet to protect it, to avoid any static. And it's going down, guys, for 19 seconds. In the meantime, we've got our baby right here. Ink is done. Shirt is ready. Okay, so it's done. So there's our sand color t-shirt. Now we have the glare from that. I'm going to take this off. Let me show you how I take it off. I got one hand here to do the phone on my recording, and there, voila. Now I'll wait till it's cold to the touch, peel it off, and we are done. So you see, guys, here at Stovetopyumyum, that's how our merchandise is actually homegrown. We use good quality t-shirts from a company called Next Level. For those of you that are in apparel, know that Next Level is a great quality t-shirt with side seams. I have my own, it's a tagless shirt with my own brand on it, as you can see, and our beautiful artwork on our t-shirt that we just had done. So I wanted to share this with you so you can see how hard we work here at Stovetopyumyum to bring this brand to you. Yes, my house is very cluttered right now because we're a little tight with all this stuff But I will tell you what though, I wanted to share this with you as a tutorial to show you how these shirts are made. You guys, and until next time, I will come back with another tutorial. Until next time with another design. Always remember, you guys, au revoir, I love you, and los quiero as always. I hope you like this video, and I hope you join us at www.stovetopyumyum.com, as I have been advertising all over the place. And don't forget to use your promo code STOVETOP. That way you will receive 10% off your entire order, and of course shipping is always free. So guys, I'll wait for you. Check it out, they're going fast. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.